Azrael from Azrael's Maryland.
Azrael like the angel from
Azrael's Maryland blog.
your blog.
Yeah. Question lang kasi,
I think I've seen your blog.
yeah. We met sa Boracay nung ano,
Anong Boracay?
Nescafe Sound School. Nescafe.
Sound School.
Sound School.
Thank you.
Question ko lang yung about the CD cover. Tsaka yung packaging niya. Any...
The artist is here. Tawagin natin.
Sige.
Rex here. You know what's the best thing about this packaging?
Yeah.
We don't have pictures.
Yeah, yun nga, walang pictures. Compared to other albums, may photos.
Parang first time ata, di ba?
Ayaw namin ng photos kasi meron kami food budget ng recording. So parang kung may photos, kailangan namin, alam mo yun, medyo gusto namin kumain na pa nagre-record kasi masarap yung gawin eh.
Bicol Express, ano ba yung makinain natin?
So nag-decide kami, no picture so that we can eat whatever the hell we want. Sweets and stuff, doesn't matter.
Sino na-conceptualize nung ano, nung
The artist.
kami
They're
artist.
trying to find it. They're a duo.
Sino siya?
Ink Search.
Ink Search.
Tinta
Search.
Bulwa.
Oh, Ink Search.
Tama ba yun? Search.
Yung ano, regarding, for example, having a next album, mga gano'n kaya katagal kaya yung antayin namin? Hindi, wala lang. Siguro, wala ba kayo natatagong parang...
Siguro uso na ulit yung Thundercats.
Ito mo, mayroon na movie. Yung parang ano, baka may naiiwan na kayong nagawa na for next album. Sana hindi na ilabas for this album. Parang...
Marami pa.
Lalabas yun siguro, if not sa ibang project. Yes, next week na
Or if it is even still an album. Because, of course, nagbabago na yung medium natin. So, this is possibly actually the last Pupil album in CD format. Ano ba yun?
DVD na, gano'n. Hindi, katash na lang yung daliri.
Kasi, lahat ngayon, download na eh.
Liquid format.
Kumain nga ako ng Tapsilog gapon, dinownload ko lang.
Sarap naman ito, nasa TNT. So, ito inumin mo.
Pero matagal pa. Kasi, ang daming single ng album na to eh. It's gonna be a while before we run out of anything to put out.
Regarding sa pagbabago ng music natin, every generation, ano man sabi nyo doon? Parang, paano na ipapasok yung Pupil doon sa generation na yun? For example, this 2011, alam ko maraming na-influence tayo ng mga foreign artists kasi, di ba? Lalo na yung mga ibang banda. Paano nyo na ipapasok yung palagi yung banda nyo na hindi kami nalalaos, hindi kami naluluma. Paano nyo nagagawa yun?
Yata namin iniisip. Actually, basta we're just true to ourselves. Basta tugtog lang kami. We'll just make good music. Ano eh, paikot-ikot lang eh. Paikot-ikot lang naman yung genre eh. Actually, wala naman talagang genre. It's just music.
meron ko rin supporta ng several other bands namin. Kahit siguro,
Kahit nasa kami.
kahit maganda na kami, yun pa rin yung mga
Sobrang loyal talaga.
Hindi, pero di kami, parang kahit anong gawin natin, makikinig sila. Di mo kami ganun. We also make sure that we put out the best possible music that represents us at the time.
we deserve it.
Tsaka they really inspire us. Maraming salamat.
Final question. Since, meron ba kayong collaboration with other artists dito sa bagong album? Meron.
Nada.
Amanda Ling, who used to be with Electrical, who played with us in 9 Inch Nails, tsaka Francis Reyes of, well, he's not with the Dawn anymore.
Yeah.
Amanda Ling, formerly of Electrical, Francis Brew, formerly of the Dawn, and Jazz Nicolas, not formerly of
Yeah, what? Yeah, we hired like
Live.
quartet
Okay yan.
or Busakaras. We don't know their names. Sorry.
Yun. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hindi. Actually, in this case, okay lang tatanong yan. Kasi hindi rin namin namin sagot.
Ate nga ate. Limiters at. Naging 4, then naging 2.
Okay lang yung nagbago. Hindi, ganito. That name came out before any sort of justification for it. So whatever justification we give for it now is parang after the fact na parang medyo it sounded right for the collection of the songs, it sounded right for the sound. There was no good reason for it. But we used it because we wanted to be spontaneous and mysterious and cute. But I think what it means, I think, and they may disagree, and you may disagree, which is your right. I think the infinity pool, compared to your standard swimming pool, di ba maapaw yun? Tapos parang nagsispill on siya to the horizon. That, I think, is metaphorically what this music, this collection of music tries to do. It tries to exist within itself, but it's trying to explode or seep outside of itself.
Ang dalim.
That's the best bullshit I can come up with. But it sounds credible because I'm wearing a jacket. Pag sinabi ko sa'yo na nakasando lang ako, hindi ka naman iniwala. Kaya, I think that's fun. Because if it's just the four of us, we can just piss and shit all over the place for 10 years and not release anything. Kasi gagawa lang kami ng gagawa. We need someone to come in, step in and say, parang
Okay na.
parang
Kailangan naka-step
need
in
an
siya.
editor.
Dapat
Parang,
sa sapatos.
it's like we're 4 actors, cinematographers, and directors. But we need an editor. And I think Pat is our editor.
Nobody needs to stay stop.
Yeah.
Okay na.
He clicks the stop button and that's it. That's fine. Touch move. Pero actually hindi na sinusunod yung touch move.
Any plans for music video?
Plans for a music video.
Next month. One of your single.
We got kanta gagawa namin ng video. Basta nagawa ng basic.
Ang Ink Surge, kinuha namin to do the layout because we're a fan of their work. Pat, we work with again because we're a fan of his work. Whoever we get to direct our video, we're gonna be a fan of their work. That's for sure. So siguro si Manny Pacquiao.
Because we're fan of his work.
Ginoke na namin yung sa labas, pero dito nakakatawa pa rin.
Seryoso sa labas.
Pero sa labas, hindi, tumawa rin sila. Pero dedemanda kami ni Pacquiao.
Alright. Thanks guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats din.